Hey, this is Josh with Best Contracting, and this is how to keep your home's exterior low maintenance. Just wanted to show you guys some siding replacement that we're doing here with some Hardie siding. As you can see, the previous siding here is a cedar wood. You can see as you look down here how it's started to rot. We haven't actually got in behind here yet, but I'm sure there's some rotting behind on the decking as well. What we recommended in this situation was the James Hardie siding. It's a very low maintenance option for the exterior siding. It's a concrete fiber board, very heat resistant, and you will never have to worry about something like this happening again in the future. As you can see in the statement collection, there is a number of different color choices you can choose from. These will last a very long time. They are paintable, but you wouldn't necessarily need to paint any of these. These colors are going to last a very long time. Again, as you can see, it's the concrete fiber board. There's a very popular darker gray color people are using these days. Or you could jump over to the Dream Collection. The Dream Collection has literally hundreds of colors available in here. A little bit more expensive for the product, but it does give you more to choose from, as you can see.